Have you ever seen this? This came with my sewing machine. I'm on a Brother Innovus NQ3550W. It's a fancy machine. It even has an automatic presser foot lifter, which I love, but I don't want to use all the time. This is a knee lift or a knee lifter, and it does the same thing. It raises our presser foot for us. Now, you know the presser foot. It's down here. It holds our fabric down, and we have a manual lift in the back. We can up and down, up and down. If you are sewing a circle, let's say, you have to raise and lower that presser foot 100 times just to get around your circle. This is a handy way to get around that. So what this does is there's a special end on it, and on the front of my machine there is a small hole down at the bottom. If I insert this into the hole and let it click in, then all I have to do, I'm going to start sewing here. I'm sewing a little circle here. Every 3 stitches I want to raise the presser foot. If I move my leg, look, presser foot went up, presser foot went down, up, down. It's kind of like a thigh master. Remember those? I don't call it a knee lifter. I think it's more like a thigh master. But it raises and lowers that. So look how easy it is for me to rotate my fabric, stitch a few more lines on this circle, raise it up, rotate my fabric, and so on and so forth. It's a really cool little gadget. So yes, if your sewing machine came with this, it's a knee lift or a knee lifter, give it a try. It's kind of a hands-free tool that I think is kind of funny. So I hope you have one, and if you do, give it a try and let us know how you like it. And happy sewing.